Sir, with your permission, I rise to move for leave to introduce the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024.
The centre introduced the Waqf Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha today, sparking a fiery political debate. The opposition alleges that the amendment to the Waqf Act 1995 is aimed at depriving Muslim community of their assets, while the government says it is only trying to help the Muslim community.
मैं पूरा जिम्मेदारी के साथ आपके माध्यम से सदन को बताना चाहता हूं, इस बिल में जो भी प्रावधान है, आर्टिकल 25 से लेकर के 30 तक किसी रिलीजियस बॉडी का जो फ्रीडम है उसमें कोई हस्तक्षेप नहीं किया जा रहा है, ना ही संविधान का किसी भी अनुच्छेद का इसमें उल्लंघन किया गया है।
जो काम यूपीए और कांग्रेस की सरकार नहीं कर सकी, तमाम अनुशंसाओं के बावजूद वो काम नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार कर रही है।
What is the controversy all about? Let's take a closer look. Waqf is an Islamic endowment of property or assets donated for charitable or religious purposes. The word Waqf is an Arabic term for charitable trust. This trust holds assets and properties. The income generated from them is used for charitable purposes like supporting schools, mosques, graveyards, and shelters. Once donated, the property cannot be taken back and must always be used for the intended religious purpose. In India, such endowments are governed under the Waqf Act and assets are overseen by Waqf boards. There are some 32 boards across the country that oversee almost 9 lakh Waqf properties. The Waqf Act was passed back in 1954 and amended in 1995 and 2013. The amendment in 2013 was introduced in Rajya Sabha when Congress-led UPA was in power and granted more power to the Waqf board. Now the NDA is all set to amend the Waqf Act. What does the new bill entail? It aims to omit a section of law that allows Waqf board to designate Waqf properties. To put it simply, the bill aimed to restrict the power of Waqf board and enforce more government regulations. It proposes to make registration with the district collector's office mandatory for the Waqf property. It also seeks representation of Muslim women, diverse Muslim communities, as well as non-Muslims in the board. The bill lays down that the money received by the Waqf board must be used for the welfare of widows, divorcees, and orphans in the manner suggested by the government, and that the women's inheritances must be protected. In total, the NDA seeks over 40 amendments in the Waqf Act 1995. This isn't sitting right with opposition. The opposition parties have joined ranks with protest against the amendment.
ये जो आप बिल ला रहे हैं, आप देश को बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं, जोड़ने का काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, सच्चाई ये है कि भाजपा अपने हताश, निराश,
आप तो उस कानून
चंद कट्टर समर्थकों के तुष्टीकरण के लिए ये बिल लाने का काम कर रही है।
During the Lok Sabha discussion, the bill was called discriminatory and an attack on the freedom of religion and federal system. However, the centre has defended the amendment as an attempt to make the functioning of Waqf boards transparent.